Probo XL is life's motor for sectional doors. Let's look at the control panel. We have the Start button, a button used for resetting, programming, and also as a step-by-step command at the end of the initial setup. We have the blue button to program and delete remote controls. We have the red button to adjust the force and the obstacle detection sensitivity. We have the yellow button to adjust the automatic closing times. We also have the green button to adjust several additional options, such as condominium option, pre-flashing, electric lock, and many others. This is how the initial setup is done. I press and hold the Start button for 5 seconds. All the LEDs between plus and minus come on. I press Start again. The door performs a closing cycle, an opening cycle, and another closing cycle. It finds a mechanical stop, reopens, and reaches the opening mechanical stop. It finds the opening mechanical stop and proceeds to the closing mechanical stop. Now the motor will open and close again for calibration. The initial setup is complete. The green LEDs flash to confirm that the stroke has been properly saved. The red LED under the minus button indicates that the door is closed and the limit switch is properly stored. The Start button can now be used as a step-by-step control to check the door's functionality. To add a new remote, I press the blue button, briefly transmit with the remote control, and press the blue button again to close the option. We have now registered a remote control. Let's try the remote control, and it works. I can of course stop the automation and close it. With the yellow button, I'll adjust the automatic closing time. I press it and release, then I adjust the option that I prefer with plus or minus. Every LED is associated with a different closing time: 5, 10, 30, 60, or 120 seconds. I press the yellow button again to close the option. I press the red button to enter the force settings. With the plus and minus buttons, I can adjust the force level, and I confirm with the red button. Strength adjustments should be calibrated to the type of door being automated. In order to adjust the obstacle detection sensitivity level, I hold the red button for 5 seconds. We have one LED by default. With the plus and minus buttons, I can adjust the level. The more LEDs on, the higher the sensitivity level and the quicker the time to invert in case of an obstacle detection. I press the red button again to confirm the settings. With the green button, I can adjust several additional options. By pressing the green button, in sequence, I scroll through the available options. Every LED is associated to an option. In order to enable that option, I have to press the plus button. If I want to disable it, I must press minus. To exit the settings menu, press the green button again and again until all LEDs will be off.